Thank you very much. I'm overwhelmed not only by your response, but this award, and also the amazing talent we've seen on stage here tonight. Last year, I was lucky enough to receive a similar award, Lifetime Achievement, in Beirut, in the Lebanon. But to get one in your home country is much more important and very impressive, and I'm deeply moved. And on the off chance I might actually win this, I wrote down a few notes to make sure I didn't make a mistake here. Although I have rarely been regarded as fully Irish, as most of you are here tonight, I've spent most of my life in Ireland, and I've been immensely proud to have represented this wonderful country on my many tours and travels around the world. Indeed, I have a daughter called Rosanna who represented Ireland and became Miss World in 2003. As has been pointed out to me many times, she resembles her mother and not her father. I signed for the American record label A&M Records more than 40 years ago, and back then would have scarcely believed that I would still be in the music business all these years later. Something that could be hard to achieve in the modern era, I think. On the 15th of April last year, my band and I started a tour right here in Killarney. So if you were here that night, that was the beginning of a tour. Thank you for coming, sir. The tour that would take us to 12 different countries and 68 concerts, ending up in Dubai just a few days ago. People here in Ireland often mention to me the string of concerts that I did in the RDS. I think there were 12 altogether in a row. And the album Spanish Train and Other Stories seems to be an iconic record in Ireland particularly, although I've made 20 records or more since then. To be a solo artist and songwriter can be a very lonely place. And during my career, I have been fortunate to have had many wonderful people around me, notably my long-term manager, Kenny Thompson. However, well done, Kenny, wherever you are. I would very much like to dedicate this award to my family, who have had to put up with so much down the years as I pursued my dream. With so many weeks and months away from home, and without their love and support, I could never have achieved what I have done. So thank you for being with me every step of the way.